Dear students, in this video we can learn how to solve second order homogeneous recurrence relations. First we can study how to determine degree of a recurrence relation. To find degree, you have to take the difference between largest subscript and smallest subscript. So, for the first recurrence relation, degree is n minus n minus 1, that is equal to 1. For the second recurrence relation, degree is 2. For the third one, degree is 5. A linear homogeneous recurrence relation of degree k or order k with constant coefficients will be of the form an equal to c1 into an minus 1 plus c2 into an minus 2 plus etc. plus ck into an minus k, where c1, c2, c3, ck etc. are real numbers and these constants are not equal to 0. A sequence satisfying such a recurrence relation is uniquely determined by the recurrence relation and k initial conditions. To solve a recurrence relation of the form an equal to r raised to n, the first step that you have to do is you have to find a characteristic equation for the recurrence relation. If the recurrence relation is of order 2, then you will be getting a quadratic equation as the characteristic equation. You have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. If the roots are different, then solution of the recurrence relation will be an equal to a into r1 raised to n plus b into r2 raised to n. A and b can be determined from the values of a0 and a1. If the roots are equal, then an can be obtained as a plus bn into r raised to n. Two problems are included here. We can see how to solve these problems. In the case of first problem, the first step that you have to do is you have to write it as a homogeneous recurrence relation by making a 0 in the right hand side. Take all an terms to the left hand side, then you will be getting 0 in the right hand side if it is a homogeneous recurrence relation. Then you have to find the degree. Here you can see that degree of the given recurrence relation is 2. So you are given a homogeneous recurrence relation of order 2. Now we have to write characteristic equation, which is obtained as t squared minus 5t plus 6 equal to 0. An is replaced with t raised to 2, an minus 1 is replaced with t raised to 1, and an minus 2 is replaced with t raised to 0. This is how we have generated characteristic equation. Then we have to find the roots. So roots are obtained as 3 and 2. Roots are different, so an can be written as a into 3 raised to n plus b into 2 raised to n. To find the value of a and b, we have to use given a0 and a1. Using the values of a0 and a1, we can easily determine the values of the constants a and b. Steps for determining a and b are given in detail here. Please go through the same. A is obtained as 2 and b is obtained as 5. Make the substitution in an to get the final solution. To solve the second problem, we will be following the same procedure. Write it as a homogeneous recurrence relation, find degree, then write the characteristic equation, find the roots, then find the solution. Because roots are equal, solution an can be written as a plus b into n into 2 raised to n. From the values of a0 and a1, you can get the values of the constants a and b. A is obtained as 1 and b is obtained as minus 1 by 2. Put the values of a and b in the equation of an and get the solution. Now you can try these two questions based on what you have learned. Solutions are given here. Match your answers with the answers given in the slide. Thank you.